So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to draw parallel channels on TradingView. So first of all, open any web browser on your computer. You can choose Google Chrome or any other web browser available in the market, and then search for tradingview.com. And now guys, you just have to click on products and choose chart plus. After clicking on this option, you guys will get transferred on this page, and now you guys can able to see this option right here. Now click on this, again click on this, and as you can see guys, it has already selected on parallel channel because I have used it earlier. So you guys just have to click on this, and then you guys decide where you want to put this parallel channel. Let's say you want to put from here to here. So you just have to click right here and then click right here, and now you just have to choose the width of your parallel channel. You can face it downwards or upwards. Let's say I want to say downwards, and then I have to choose the width, and after that you guys will have to final click so that it can be made. And now you can move it from one place to another like this, and you can even crop it right here. So that's how you draw a parallel channel on TradingView. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.